Konnie Steffen is a scientist who has worked in the Arctic for over 3 decades. He and his team are high up on the Greenland ice sheet. They're trying to discover what's causing it to speed up and to find out if this acceleration is related to climate change.
From 95 onwards, the climate got warmer. The ice started to move faster, and that increased from a few percent to 10%. Now it's over 80% faster in extreme summers, and it produced more water like this river. And this water is probably the explanation why the ice here it starts to move faster.
Each summer on the ice sheet, increased meltwater is forming more and more lakes and rivers. And this is where the water flows into deep shafts called moulins. No one knows for sure where the water ends up, but Konnie believes it flows straight to the base of the ice, lubricating it and making it flow faster. If he's right, then there would be a direct connection between climate change and the retreating glaciers. But so far, no one's been able to prove if the meltwater reaches the bedrock or if it simply flows through the ice and never reaches the bottom. Now, Konnie and his team are going to drop a camera into a moulin to trace the route the water takes. It's the first time anyone's attempted this. They're using a special waterproof camera built by NASA, designed to withstand freezing temperatures. They've chosen the biggest moulin they could find. There's no water running into it at surface level, but they know there's plenty down there because they can hear it. It's a precarious business as they don't know how thick the overhang of ice is.
This is pretty safe, right?
I think so.
Okay. If we go down, we hang on the rope.
All right.
And our colleagues take us out again.
They've got 1,000 metres of cable, which Konnie believes is enough to lower the camera all the way to the bedrock.
60 meters. This is amazing. 70 meters.
70 meters.
There we go. Now we're submerged. Wow. Now it's a lot, yeah.
Finally, 90 metres down, and they've reached meltwater. It's a good sign that the camera's on the right track.
50 degrees.
But if this moulin does reach the very bottom, there's still a long way to go.
I think it's stuck. It's stuck on a wall. It's hit a ledge.
The camera seems to have reached a bend in the moulin, and it's not moving. It could just be a kink in the moulin, or it could be the water never reaches the bedrock. To find out, Konnie and his team will have to return next summer with a new type of camera.